Hello everyone. You are on the channel. Interesting. The Earth is an amazing planet. All kinds of natural phenomena can be found on it. One of them is hydrometeors, that is, atmospheric precipitation. This is water that falls from the atmosphere onto the Earth's surface. Precipitation is one of the links in the moisture cycle on Earth. In this video, we present to your attention some interesting facts about hydrometeors. Rain. For it to rain, moisture must first condense in the atmosphere and turn into clouds, but it can only concentrate around something. Raindrops usually form around tiny dust particles. Most often on Earth, it rains in the Colombian city of Buenaventura, which is considered the rainiest settlement on Earth. In Portugal, a rainstorm is an official reason not to go to work. Rain clouds always form only over seas and oceans. There has been no rain in the famous dry valleys of Antarctica for several million years. This is generally the driest place on Earth, from where the constant wind blew out even a hint of moisture. The American city of Winesburg in Ohio is notable for the fact that it rains there every year on July 29th. Why? No meteorologist knows. In parts of the African country of Uganda, it rains, accompanied by thunder and lightning, an average of 250 days annually. In Great Britain for several centuries there was a law according to which a meteorologist could be executed for an incorrect weather forecast. But in practice, it has never been applied. In hot deserts, raindrops often do not reach the ground, evaporating in the air even during the fall. About 500,000 billion tons of water falls on the Earth annually in the form of rain. Scientists have already established that it rains not only on our planet but also on others. For example, on the moon of Saturn, Titan, it rains from liquid methane, ethane and ammonia. On Venus, it rains from sulfuric acid, but they do not reach the surface of the planet, evaporating due to the monstrously high temperature. The largest raindrops reach a diameter of no more than 7 millimeters. Larger ones always disintegrate into several smaller drops under the pressure of oncoming air. In the Chilean Atacama Desert, no more than 50 millimeters of precipitation falls per year. There has not been a full-fledged rain for over 400 years. In the Brazilian city of Para, it always rains at the same time, and you can even check your watches. Umbrellas were invented to protect from the sun, not rain. Acid rain is one of the serious problems of modern ecology. They are able to kill not only insects, fish and amphibians, but also bacteria. Snow. For snow to appear in clouds, water must first condense around something and then freeze. Usually microscopic dust grains act as a center of condensation. More and more moisture freezes on them, as a result of which the speck of dust grows, and then, becoming too heavy to stay in the air, falls down. About 50% of the world's population have never seen real snow, except in the photo. Snowflakes are 95% air. This determines their base color. White. In fact, it is colorless, and the white color is just an optical illusion. Snowflakes are ice crystals of complex shape with many facets, in which light is refracted and reflected many times. Snow appears to be white in most cases. However, sometimes it happens to be of a different color. For example, pink or red. This happens high in the mountains and in the polar regions of the Earth. An unusual shade is given to it by the algae Chlamydomonas snow, widespread there. Moreover, as those who have seen red snow assure, it tastes like a watermelon. In particular, in 2006, residents of the American state of Colorado spoke about pink, red snow with a taste of watermelon. The taste is again the merit of Chlamydomonas. Due to the low density, snowflakes fall to the ground slowly, at a speed of about 0.9 kilometers per hour. Maybe there is no life on Mars, but there is definitely snow there, as familiar to us, and snow from solid carbon dioxide. Why does the snow crunch when walking? The main reason is that the crystals break. The character of the crunch depends on the temperature of the snow. The lower it is, the louder the sound. It is known that in 1949 snow fell in the Sahara Desert and even lasted there for half an hour. There is World Snow Day. It is celebrated annually on January 19th. Grad. About 1% of vegetation around the world suffers from hail every year. Milky white hailstones can contain bacteria, pollen, insects, frogs and small fish. The kilogram hailstones were those that fell on April 14, 1986 in Bangladesh, but the heaviest ice blocks fell during the hail in Hyderabad in 1939. Then their weight reached 3.4 kilograms. Hail rarely falls for more than 15 minutes. The average duration of the hail is about 6 minutes. The falling speed of large hailstones can reach 44 meters per second. Mostly, hail falls in the summer and during the day. Hail at night is very rare.